In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate your Instagram account temporarily. Whether you're taking a break from social media or simply want to retain some privacy for a while, this guide will walk you through each step, making it easy to temporarily hide your account from public view. First, let's start by opening your internet browser. This could be Chrome, Safari, Edge, or any other browser that you prefer. Once your browser is open, navigate to Instagram.com. You'll need to log in with your username and password, just as you would if you were accessing Instagram normally through your app or browser. Once you're logged in, the next step is to go to your profile. You'll find your profile icon, which is typically located in the bottom right corner if you're on a mobile device, or you may see it on the top right if you're using a desktop browser. Click on it to access your profile page. Once there, tap on Edit Profile to begin the process of deactivating your account. This option is simple to find and commonly used for making various changes to your account. On the Edit Profile page, you need to scroll all the way to the bottom. This is the same whether you're on a phone or a computer, though the exact placement might differ slightly. You'll spot an option labeled Temporarily Deactivate My Account. If you're using a mobile device, this will be located under your Bio section, while desktop users will find it near the bottom right corner of the page. At this stage, Instagram will ask you to choose a reason for deactivating your account. You'll find a drop-down menu with several options, such as need a break or privacy concerns. Select the reason that best describes why you're stepping away from the platform. It's important to remember that this is just a formality, and any option you select won't impact your account in any significant way, other than to provide feedback to Instagram. After choosing your reason, you'll need to re-enter your password to confirm your deactivation request. This is an important security measure designed to ensure that only account owners can deactivate their accounts. Now you should see a button labeled Temporarily Deactivate Account. Once you click or tap this button, Instagram will prompt you again to confirm your decision. Go ahead and confirm when prompted. Congratulations, your account is now hidden temporarily. While it is deactivated, no one will be able to see your profile, photos, or any of your activities. When you're ready